Hey guys, welcome back to another session of using technical analysis to find high probability trading setups. Today, looking at pound dollar, right? And what I like about pound dollar is that there is a nice 38% Fibonacci retracement right about over here, right? Which lines up very nicely with this resistance, right? Which will be our sell entry. Okay, so look to take a sell entry over here. In terms of the stop loss, right? What we like to do is to put it at the next Fibonacci, so slightly higher than the next Fibonacci. I'll probably put it about slightly above this 50%, right? So this would be my stop loss, right? So right, really riding the momentum down, right? If you look at I think if you look at the Ichimoku cloud, price is just about testing there. We don't expect it to really break out that strongly. On the 1 day time frame, it's still holding nicely below it, right? And it's worth noting that, yeah, it looks like on the 1 hour chart, it looks like it's rising a bit, but really on the 4 hour chart, right? And no, I mean on the higher time frames, it is really still the overall trend is still bearish, right? So we're looking to play a reversal from here, right? Just to about this level here, where the previous double bottom breakout happened, right? So we're going to play a move down to here. Okay, really simple trade that we're looking at, but a nice high probability trade because it's at an overlap resistance, it's at a 30% retracement, right? Everything points nicely, and it could be at a 61.8 projection too. Yeah, it's a 61.8 Fibonacci projection right at that level. And if it reverses from here, yeah, you should expect it to drop to the 1.1592 level. Okay. Now, that's it for me, guys. Remember to exercise proper risk management, trade management, and guarantee this trade. Stay safe, trade safe, and I'll catch you guys again tomorrow for more high probability trading setups.